excitement.
Yes.
Oh,
wow.
oh, I love the background.
Wow.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
So
Very
you see,
well
it's
done.
all
Under
antique.
the,
It's set in between museum glass.
oh, wow.
So it's kind of like a sandwich, and it would be best like to preserve it. That would be not like some small debris is coming off of it, just like if like it'll be in open space.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yeah, no, then you
This-
put all two things together now, just
Yeah.
to each other, just like
Yeah.
an.
That's amazing.
My mother would. My mother would be very grateful.
No, maybe she is now.
I feel.
Maybe she's now.
You're right.
Thank you.
Good, no,
Maurice.
great. No,
Thank
no, I'm happy you're happy. So just like and
Very.
we're happy you for happy customers. Okay, good. Thank you, Tony.